What happens when people stop thinking freely, when ideas are no longer chosen but imposed? This is the question behind the captive mind, a powerful concept developed by Polish writer Czesław Miłosz. Miłosz lived under communist rule after World War II. In 1953, he wrote The Captive Mind to explain how intellectuals became trapped by ideology. He showed how fear, propaganda, and career rewards pushed writers and scholars to defend systems they secretly disagreed with. Slowly, people began to censor themselves. Truth became dangerous. Silence became safety. This wasn't just about communism. The captive mind exists anywhere power controls thought. When questioning authority risks punishment, people adapt. They repeat official narratives. Over time, lies feel normal. This is what Miłosz called Ketman, pretending to believe while hiding your real thoughts inside. Sociologists connect this to modern society. Pierre Bourdieu explained how power shapes what ideas are seen as legitimate. Michel Foucault showed how institutions control knowledge through schools, prisons, and media. Today, Noam Chomsky talks about manufactured consent, how elites shape public opinion without force. Post-colonial thinkers add another layer. Frantz Fanon showed how colonized people internalized the colonizer's worldview. Gurminder Bhamra argues that modern knowledge hides colonial history. This creates intellectual captivity even after independence. Muslim thinkers also warned against this mental prison. Ali Shariati spoke of Westoxification, blindly copying Western ideas. Malik Bennabi argued that Muslims became mentally colonized before they were politically defeated. Talal Asad challenged the idea that Western secularism is universal. Saba Mahmood showed how Western frameworks often misunderstand Muslim lives. Islam teaches intellectual responsibility. The Quran repeatedly asks us to think, reflect, and question. A captive mind is the opposite of faith. It follows without understanding. True freedom is not just political. It is mental. Breaking the captive mind begins when we dare to think differently. What if the real prison is not around you, but inside you? If this opened your mind, like, share, and subscribe for more deep sociological insights.